So here's how to use Google Street Map on PC. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't miss any important steps. First you will need to go to your Chrome browser, and then here you have to search for the Google Maps. Once you click on it, now it will automatically open Google Streets View. Here you can search anything that you want. Here I'm gonna search for the restaurants near me. As you can see, it gives me a bunch of options for the restaurants. Here you can search for any place where you want to go. All you have to do is you have to search for the place, and once you have searched for the place, then you have to click on it to get the directions for it. Let's suppose here from the list I'm gonna search for this restaurant. Once I clicked on it, now as you can see, it will give me the direction for the restaurant from my location. Here it will also give you the option to send your location and share it with anyone. However, if you want to get direction for a particular place, you have to click on the directions option, and once you click on it, now it will take you to the street view and it will give you the directions from your current location. So that's how to use Google Maps Street View on laptop or PC.